Hi, I'm Christy Ryan. Tuna salad is great for summertime, for a quick lunch to take on a picnic, for sandwiches to top a salad with, and so there's a way to make it without adding a ton of mayo. So you just start with your tuna. I rinse it and drain it, even if it's in water, just to get rid of some of the sodium. Add some chopped celery, red peppers, and green onions. Chop up some fresh tarragon. If you have an herb garden, that's perfect. If not, you can get it at the store. A couple teaspoons of Dijon mustard. A teaspoon of olive oil, and I have some rosemary infused olive oil, which will be fun, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's tangy with some crunch to it, and you don't even miss the mayo. The herbs add a nice flavor, and so does olive oil. So enjoy!